Hello, friends, colleagues, business partners. My name is Pieter Verhoeven and I'm the president of Volvo Trucks in North America. Today is a special day for all of us at Volvo Trucks. It marks the beginning of a new era. This launch of the all-new Volvo VNL is the culmination of years of demanding work from the very best designers, engineers, and manufacturing experts in the world. And during these years, we followed this mandate: create a product that is truly designed to change everything, to transform the transportation industry. A new product that is designed not only to look sleek, efficient, and athletic, but positively impact your business and transportation needs. Every decision that has been made on this truck, inside and out, has been single-mindedly focused to provide a new level of customer value as well as significant improvements for our drivers. And as you will see shortly, this purposefully designed Volvo VNL will set a new benchmark for fuel efficiency, driver productivity, connectivity, and uptime. It pushes the boundaries of Volvo's long legacy of active and passive safety. Improved at every turn, the all-new Volvo VNL is designed to change everything. And when it comes to truck design, inspiration comes in many forms. For the new Volvo VNL, it started from the very environments we find our trucks in every day.
My name's Jonathan Disley. I'm the design director for Volvo Trucks globally. The all-new Volvo VNL truck is an incredible, simplistic design. It's dynamic, it's safe, it's high-tech, and it's also something to be incredibly proud of for Volvo Trucks in North America.
We were asked to develop a brand new product from the ground up. Before we started designing the product, we wanted to develop a visual strategy that would become the beacon for our brand.
Our focus is on our North American customers and the environments that they are in every day.
The desert, the prairie, the coastal forest, the Arctic, and the urban biome. The desert biome is a pretty harsh environment. We really want to make sure that it stands the test of time.
The prairie biome is found at the center of our country and is representative of our sustainability journey.
The coastal forest biome, which is found on each side of the continent, and it represents a very premium feel and emotion to the product. The tundra biome is a very frigid area of the continent, and it puts a lot of demand on our products. We need to make sure they're very robust and the quality is there. The urban biome is the final biome, city-like environment that ties all of these other trim levels together. Think about the technical details and all the features and functions that you would find in a working environment. The elevation pattern connects the biomes, and it played a really important role in connecting a lot of the different components in the vehicle. For instance, you will notice we've applied this elevation pattern to the headlights, to the dash, to the door panels, really trying to create a cohesive and consistent look and feel to the Volvo experience. Volvo design has always been known for innovation and pushing the boundary when it comes to aerodynamics. With the new VNL, we now have the opportunity to really excel the premium quality and feel of the Volvo brand experience.
This team in North America should feel incredibly proud about what they've done. 6 years of intense hard work, they've packaged that into a design which looks effortless, and it looks like something that you've never seen before. When you see this design for the first time, you'll notice the performance, the aerodynamics, the simplicity of the design, and the technology and safety that's been baked in. It's a design that will change everything.
Now I proudly present to you, on behalf of Volvo Trucks North America and the thousands of employees who worked so hard on this project, the all-new Volvo VNL.
All-new Volvo VNL carries on our legacy of pioneering groundbreaking technologies and setting new industry standards. Starting with its revolutionary aerodynamic cab that is redesigned to put the wind in your favor and improve fuel efficiency by up to 10%. The new Volvo proprietary active safety platform features pedestrian detection and an industry-first e-call that alerts 911. A more efficient powertrain with a 30% increase in shifting speed that ensures the Volvo iShift remains second to none. A redesigned driver environment with push-button start, digital driver information display, and stock-mounted shifting. Best-in-class living environment with a versatile pull-down bunk that will improve productivity and rest. An industry-first integrated parking cooler to keep drivers cool while eliminating idling for up to 8 hours. And true to Volvo Trucks' promise, industry-best support when you're on the road.
The all-new Volvo VNL was just a great opportunity for us to continue pushing to essentially combine the Volvo brand message with maximum aero performance to really create not only a beautiful but very aerodynamic truck.
We've really worked from day one to make sure that while giving the right artistic vision from design, we still built in the aerodynamic performance required to give the customer the fuel efficiency that they need.
From an exterior standpoint, every surface of the truck, from the front to the back of the truck, essentially was sculpted with aero in mind.
We have a variety of new aerodynamic devices, including the curved windshield, a new front end, wedged cab, an aerodynamic roof, front wheel closeout. We have longer side deflector extenders. The powertrain and the aerodynamic improvements combine in order to give what we've seen in up to a 10% increase in fuel efficiency improvement. And that really